Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about triangle. In our real life many times everywhere we have seen different types of objects which have taken different kind of shapes. So triangle is a basically geometrical shape which has least number of sides. It means that when we have joining the one side, it cannot be forming a shape. When we are joining two sides, it cannot be forming a shape. But as we are joining three sides, we will get triangle. So as the word showing triangle, tri means three and angle. It means angle. The triangular shape is known as triangle. Now, before starting triangle and knowing the classification and its use in real life, we will start from open and closed shape. So, as the name shows, open shape, it means that the figures, the curves which are open, and the closed shape directly just opposite of open shape, it is closed shape. The figures, the curves which are closed. When you are looking at a window, so this window is an example of closed shape. This window is an example of closed shape. But when you are looking at the lines, curves, letters like S, N, C, these are the open shapes. So what is an open shape? An open shape is defined as the shapes in which the line segments or curves do not connect at their ends. It means that in the open shapes, ending and starting point are not joining to each other. And just opposite of open shape, we have a closed shape. So what is a closed shape? A closed shape is defined as a shape that starts and ends at the same point. In other words, a closed shape does not have an open end. So in the closed shape, its starting and ending points are always same and it does not have open ends. Now we will see some examples. So this first shape, you can see its starting point is here, and when you are moving according to line segment, its ending point is here. So their end point are not meeting to each other. That's why the first shape is an example of open shape. Same as it is the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is an example of open shape because its ends point are not meeting to each other. Now we have next 3 more examples. You can simply see in these 3 examples we don't have any open end. It means that these are the example of closed shapes. So we have seen open shape and closed shape. Now it's time for the triangle. So what are triangles? A triangle is a closed. So this word you have seen, closed. Closed means that which ends points are meeting to each other. Okay. So a triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape, two-dimensional figure with 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. So when you are forming the 3 line segment when you are putting the 3 line segments on the same platform, on that time when you are joining it, you will get 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Triangles are considered as a polygon with the least number of sides. It means that the first polygon is a triangle. And what do you mean by polygon? Polygon means that a figure which is completely made up by line segment. In previous example, this first shape is an open polygon because it is made up by line segment. Second one is example of open polygon because it is also made up by line segment. Third one is example of closed polygon. Fourth one is an also example of closed polygon because these four shapes are made up by line segment. But the last one, we don't have any line, so this one is not a polygon. This one is a curve. This one is a curve. So when a figure is made up by line segment, it is a polygon, and if they does not have any line, so they are calling as curves. So triangles are considered as a polygon with the least number of sides. So here we have parts of triangle. You have seen this triangle have 1, 2, 3 sides. Its angles are angle R1, angle 2, angle 3. And vertices are vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, which names is P, Q, R. Always we will keep the vertices name of the shape in the capital letter. So these are the parts: 3 sides, 3 angle, 3 vertices. Now we are going to move little bit extra class where we can see triangles in real life. So have you seen these things in real life? Pizza, watermelon, birthday decoration or decoration item, then nachos, then flag in the triangular shape, then chili, sandwich, bell, road signs, etc. So many places we have around us which is showing triangle in it. So do you have any example where you can find triangle in real life? Yeah, think about it. Now we are going to types of triangle. So in this image you can see we have 6 types of triangle, 3 from its sides and 3 from its angle. So the very first types of triangle from its sides is equilateral triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. Next one is scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle we have all 3 sides are equal. In isosceles triangle we have only 2 sides are equal, but in scalene all 3 sides are unequal to each other. Now according to its angle, the first triangle is a acute angle triangle in which all 3 measurements of triangle, angles of triangle are less than 90 degree. In right angle triangle we have one of the angle is absolutely 90 degree, and in the last one which is obtuse triangle, in this we have one angle which is more than 90 degree. So these are the 6 basic types of triangle according to its sides, according to its angle. Now we will go to see them in. So classification of triangle according to their sides. So first example is an scalene. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3 sides. First sides have measurement of 5, then second one is a 8 and third one is a 3. You can simply see here no sides are equal. It means that its name will be scalene. Then we have next triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. First measurement is 3, second measurement is 2, third measurement is 3. So you have seen the first and the third have same measurement. So this triangle is known as isosceles. At least 2 sides are equal. And equilateral, as the figure is smiling, it means all they have 1, 2, 3. All 3 sides are equal to each other. 4, 4 and 4. So all sides are equal. It means that this figure is an example of equilateral triangle. So if all sides are equal, equilateral triangle. If any 2 sides are equal, isosceles triangle. And if no sides are equal, so it will be example of scalene. Now here we have the definitions of triangles. First one, scalene. All the sides of different measures as we have seen. Then isosceles triangle. Can you see the definition of isosceles triangle? Yes. Two sides of a triangle are of the same measure and the remaining side has a different measure. Then equilateral triangle. All the three sides of a triangle are of the same measure. So here we have seen the definitions of triangles according to their sides. Now what we have? Classification of triangle according to their angles. So here if we have all three measures, here we have 65 degree, 40 degree, 75 degree. If we have all the angles of triangle which are less than 90 degree, it means that that triangle is known as acute. Because what is the meaning of acute? An angle which is less than 90 degree, which is lies between 0 to 90 degree, it is known as acute angle. So same as here. Here all the angles of a triangle are lies between 0 to 90. So this triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Then we have next type of triangle is right angle triangle. So it has one angle that is 90 degree. Okay, at least here in this triangle we have one angle of perfect 90 degree. So as 90 degree is known as right angle, so same, just because of this 90 degree its name is right angle triangle. And the last one we have obtuse. So it has, you can simply see 25 degree, 120 degree, 35 degree. So you can see here we have 120 degree. It means that 120 degree, when we are calling 120, what we are calling 120 degree, an angle whose measures lies between 90 to 180 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. So just because of this 120 degree, when we have measure obtuse, at least one angle which is greater than 90 degree, it is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now acute means all angle are less than 90 degree, right? Has a one angle that is 90 degree, and in obtuse it has one angle greater than 90 degree. Now we will see the definitions of the triangles based on their angle. First one is acute angle triangle. All the angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree. So acute means when the measures lies between 0 to 90 degree, it will be acute angle. So same as it is, all the angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree. Then we have obtuse angle triangle. So one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree. It means all out of three, any one angle is greater than 90 degree. Right angle triangle. One of the angles of a triangle is equal to 90 degree. Out of three, any one will be 90 degree. It means that it will be example of right angle triangle. So here we have seen the definitions of triangle according to their angles. Now can you guess the names of a triangle? Okay, so here we have 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. So all these three sides are having same measurements. All these three sides are having same measurements. So this triangle is an example of, can you guess? Yes, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now the second one we have 1, 2, 3 sides. Out of 3 sides, first one is 8 centimeter, second one is 9 centimeter, and third one is 8 centimeter. Just recognize the parts of a triangle. Here we have two sides, 8, 8 and 8. These two are equal. So if the two sides of a triangle are equal to each other, its name will be isosceles triangle. Very good. Now we are going on the third triangle, which has 1, 2, 3 sides, and the measurements are 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So you have seen all three measurements of this triangle are different to each other, different from each other. So here we have this, its name will be, yes, scalene. Its name will be scalene. So first one is equilateral, all sides are equal 9 centimeter. Second one is an isosceles whose two sides are equal, which is 8 centimeter. And the third one, it is an example of scalene triangle whose all three sides are different to each other. Now we have the types of triangle according to their angles. Okay, now we are moving from the left hand side. Okay, you just check out, here we have angles 1, 2, 3. So the angles of a triangle are 32 degree acute angle, 31 degree acute angle, and 117 degree, which is an obtuse angle. So out of three, if any one angle is obtuse angle, the triangle name will be obtuse angle triangle. So this one example of obtuse angle triangle. Now the next one, which is having the three angles 50 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree. 50 degree is an example of acute angle. 40 degree is an example of acute angle. 90 degree is an example of right angle triangle. It is an example of right angle. So if any one angle is having a measurement of 90 degree, it means that that triangle is known as right angle triangle. Now last one, can you guess? 70 degree, 50 degree and 60 degree. Can you guess the name? 70 degree acute angle, 50 degree acute angle, 60 degree acute angle. All three measurements are having acute angle. It means that this triangle name is acute angled triangle. So we will call once again: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Now here we will do little bit assessment. Do you know any two names which starts with tri? Yes, triangle, then tricycle, very good. Okay, tripod, trial, tries. So many things we have which starts with tri. Okay, yes, tricolor flag, which is the national flag of India. Yes, very good. Now, can you guess any two places where you can find triangle in real life? That you have to tell me. Okay, you have to give in the comment box any two places where you can find triangle in real life. And the last one, which is the strongest shape and why, that you have to recognize, and the hint of the answer is given in the above pic. You have to identify which is the strongest shape and why. The answer of the last question I will gives you in the next video. Thank you so much all of you. I hope so you enjoyed the video. Keep sharing, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much all of you.